Hello my friends, my name is Chen, studying business economy at University Malaysia Sarawak, UNIMAS. Okay, today I'm going to talk about why iPad A5 is so productive for university students. Alright guys, in my hand here is iPad A5. What are you guys waiting for? And iPad Spencer second generation. Let's unboxing start, go! Alright guys, this is the iPad A5. Okay, starlight color, and this iPad is 10.9 inch, 256 GB and Wi-Fi version. And this iPad A5 has the front camera and the rear camera. Let me show you. You just place the camera, and then this is the rear camera. Can you see my hands? And then rear camera. And the most importantly, this iPad A5 is supercharged by M1 chips. Alright, you are right. M1 chip. The chip that has been used for M1 MacBook Air and M1 MacBook Pro. Alright, move on. Now, we have the instruction book, just throw away. USB-C cable, and then charger. Okay, then the Apple generations, Apple Pencil. Okay, then for extra protections, I suggest you buying a hard case just like this. Then it gives you more protection for your iPad. Okay, here I want to introduce you with the most powerful note-taking app. Okay, so with the good notes, you can write, you can have eraser, and then you can have highlighter to highlight, erase beds, and this thing is especially important for math students. You can draw the curve, the square, and then if you lazy to draw again, you can use this to move the position of the writing, the curve, the drawing. Okay, then if you feel your notes boring, you can use this, the sticker. Nice, right? And then you can insert the photo. For example, this, I want to insert this photo. Alright, then if you feel since you don't want to listen in the class, don't worry, I can tell you, use these sound recording features, then it can start to record your sounds. For example, like this. Okay, then we listen back. Okay, something like this. Okay, then in the meantime, the note already synchronized to the iCloud, and I can tell you iCloud is the best place to store your notes. Now, I want to share you about the serious news. The price, I know, don't be sad first. Okay, if you want to save money, okay, you can go to just purchase the mini version 64 GB. Okay, like this, same big, same function, just 64 GB, which costs you 2899. Okay, and if you have more budget, you can, like me, purchase 3649. Okay, only 3649. And I want to share you a good news. Okay, if you are a university student, just register as the student account, become a student, then you can get a discount of 240. Okay, what are you waiting for? Just go to Swiss and grab your iPad. Okay, that's it for my sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, bye bye.